Hi there, dear pal. Welcome to another episode of ABC Useful Tip, and in this video, we're going to show you step by step how do you insert beautiful photographs that are transparent directly into Google Slides. Alright, to make your slides more beautiful, more attractive if you're doing presentation or to insert for games. Alright, images. Okay, first we're going to show you how do you find these images that are transparent directly from the Google Slides itself from their web search. Okay, and stay till the end. Alright, we will also show you, in addition, bonus tips on how you can directly drag and drop photo images from a Chrome browser. That you can find more photographs and more beautiful pictures there, and be able to drag and drop images that you already saved in your PC, into the slides to beautify your slides. Hope that you will actually love this video and find values from this video. Alright, and remember to stay to the end. Okay, if you would like to be first to be notified of future videos, please remember to click subscribe at the bottom, right? And click subscribe at the link here at the top, right? And give us some comment. Remember to click the bell so that you'll be first to be notified, right? And also additional information. Okay, this is actually a game that I created beforehand, and I've uploaded into the YouTube, and you can actually click this link, right, to find the video on how do you use Mirror Hunt as a game in Google Classroom to entice your student, okay, to entice your friends to participate in the lessons well and to love the topics. Alright, let's dive right in. First method to drag and drop or insert images into Google Slides will be first directly from the Google Slides app or icon itself. Alright, and this function is right here at the top here, okay, where you find this picture image, and it actually is for inserting images in different ways. And to this video, we're going to show you how to search a suitable image that you can actually use to beautify your slides. Or in this case, this is actually a game that I've created in the video beforehand. Alright, so you can actually click directly here. Okay, and then to find it from the web itself, you click on this search the web. Alright, and that this panel will appear on the right side for you to type in the word that you want to find. And in this case, let's say the theme is different types of chairs. Alright, so I'll just click in chair, and the wonderful thing is that what I want to show you is how to find transparent picture without background, and the magic word is to use PNG, or sometimes you can just directly type in transparent. Okay, and then most of the images, not all, most of the images will be transparent here. Alright, so I've already had one here, and different types of chair, another one with cushion. So let me just try to see if this will be transparent. And because I'm going to show you drag and drop in this case, you just have to click on it to show the arrow, okay, right on top, and you just pull it in to the panel. If you see a plus, meaning you can drag it and drop it. Alright, just wait for a while for the image to be uploaded. Yes, it's transparent. Cool. Okay, and then I just adjust the size here. Okay, clicking the dot on the right. Alright, so of course I would like to also show you how you can also drag something that may not be drag and drop. The alternative way of inserting the photo directly from image directly from here is to click on it. Yes, so I will show again. Click to show the arrow, and then at the bottom, right at the bottom of the right panel, you will see this panel coming up, this rectangular box appearing, which it has the word insert. So when you click on insert, the photo will be inserted. Alright, click insert. Alright, and it's appeared. Alright, so we just adjust the size again and put it into the correct space that you want. And next, well, congratulations, I stay to almost the end of the video, right? And the next thing that I'm going to show you in bonus will be how do you insert or drag and drop a photo or image that you find directly in the browser itself. Okay, and this is how you do it. Okay, with reference to the game, the Mirror Hunt game that I have designed and even customized in the video, in this video of Mirror Hunt game for use in Google Classroom, right? Which you can click the link back at the beginning, right? This second item that I'm going to use it to demonstrate is actually one of the activity to find a picture suitable for exercise in the gym. Alright, or okay, let's do it for exercise at home. Okay, so we're going to find this in the web, alright, using the normal browser. Okay, you can open up a blank browser, okay, in Google Chrome especially, okay, and then you just click in whatever you want to find, exercise cartoon at home, okay, enter. Alright, remember to go for images right here, okay, in one of the wording categories. Click on images and you will find all the images. Alright, just one thing to note, okay, if you want to find images from here, most of the time it is not transparent if you were to transfer it over to the Google slide. However, there will be wider range and more beautiful pictures here. Okay, so how do you drag and drop over? This is the way. Next is go right up to the top right hand corner and minimize by clicking this, okay, into a smaller panel, okay, for the web browser. Just want to click, it will be minimized to a smaller panel here, and then when I drag it over, alright, right on top of the page that I want the image to be in, I just go to the image that I like. Okay, let's say for example this, I will just click. Okay, show you again. I'll just click on the picture, drag it, keep it click and drag it over until you see a plus sign in your slide and let go. Alright. The image will be downloaded into your slide. Alright, and then you can just adjust the size and put it in to the correct position. Next bonus method is to learn how to drag and drop an image that you already saved in your PC or your computer directly into the slides. Right, and then we will go into the PC now to find the photo. I found the photo in a folder that I want, okay, in my my file manager. Alright, and this is the photo, and then I'll be minimizing it again, just like what you did for the web browser, alright, so that we can drag it over. So this is where you find it, right top right hand corner, minimizing the one in the center. Okay, and once I click it, I'll minimize. With this file manager minimize at the top or any side of the slides, you just have to click on the image that you want, click and pull it over again, similar way, and then at the right position, just let go. Similarly, the photos may not be transparent unless you have made it transparent using PowerPoint. Okay, I have a video that shows you how you can actually make any images transparent using PowerPoint. You can click the link on top. Okay, and that's it. Adjust it. Right, you have two bonuses here together with how do you search directly from the web in the Google Slides, and how do you search the images from the web browser, and then just drag and drop into the slides, and also to drag and drop directly from your PC. If you really find value in this video and showing you how to really find beautiful pictures to insert into your slides, alright, in the assignment or in your lesson, right, please give us some comment, okay, and then tell us how you can actually use it, alright, in different methods of your preparations, right, and please remember to subscribe at the bottom, or subscribe by clicking this round button here. Right, remember to click the bell so that you'll be the first to be notified of future videos. Right, give us a thumbs up, okay, if you really find values in this wonderful small little tip. Alright, so I look forward to see you again.